Today, I'll walk you through how to make checklists, drop-down menus, and use formatting tools in Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create organized and visually appealing task trackers so you can boost your productivity. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. This is where we'll access Google Sheets. Once you're in Chrome, look for the app's icon in the upper right corner. Click on it and then select Sheets from the drop-down menu. If you have an existing sheet, open it now or create a new one by selecting the blank template. Now let's set up our goals section. Start by measuring the needed cells for your goals, where we will utilize checkboxes. Type goals in the first cell of the first column. Once you've done that, highlight the first column to prepare for the checkboxes. Next, navigate to the Insert menu at the top of the screen. This is where we can add various elements to our sheet. Click on Insert and then select Checkbox. This will allow you to create interactive checklists. Once you've added your checkboxes, let's make it look nice. Start by adding borders around the cells. Click on the borders icon and choose a style that suits your preference. This will help your checklist stand out visually. Now let's focus on formatting options to enhance the appearance further. Click on the Goals cell and center the text alignment. This small change can make a big difference in how your sheet looks. After formatting the Goals section, it's time to create a task tracker. Highlight the cells needed for this section and merge 3 rows to give it a clean look. Type Task Tracker in the merged cell to label this section clearly. Next, we'll add drop-down menus to track the status of tasks. Highlight the cells where you want the drop-downs, then go back to the Insert menu. This time, select Drop-down. You can customize the options such as Done and Not Started to fit your needs. To make it visually appealing, customize the colors of your drop-down options. For instance, you might choose red for Not Started and green for Done. This color coding will help you quickly assess the status of your tasks at a glance. Finally, once you're satisfied with your task tracker, click on Done to save your changes. You can refine the details further if needed, ensuring everything looks just right. And there you have it. You've successfully created checklists, drop-down menus, and formatted your Google Sheets to enhance your productivity. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.